Hello, my dear friends. Here is Mahesh Palaskar, eager to present something special related with personality development. My dear friends, as you are aware that every person is a special person on this earth. My dear friends, please believe me that definitely you are a special person. So, personality is everything that makes you special. Personality is everything that makes you different from all others. Personality is everything which makes you unique person, and no person on this earth is like you because your personality is different from all others. Personality is nothing but a set of qualities which are present in you, and there may be some similarity in the qualities, but this total set of qualities in you will not be found in any other person on earth. Therefore, you are definitely a special person, you are definitely a unique person. That is just because of your personality. So, my dear friends, your personality is having various images, various aspects of your personality. So, according to my theory, according to Palaskar's personality pentagon, we are going to see the 5 images of your personality. So, here I have drawn a pentagon, and P0 represent what exactly you are, what is what is your real personality. So the images of your personality include, the first one is what you think you are, that is P1. So my dear friends, that there is definitely a lot of difference between what you are and what you think you are, because my dear friends, you don't know what you are, you haven't recognized yourself. The second image of your personality is what you show yourself. Every person is trying to show himself as something. So, that is another image of the personality of a person. The third image of a personality of the person is nothing but what others think you are. All others, maybe your family members, your friends, all are thinking something about you, they have some image related with you, and that is your personality in their minds. Now people are always talking about you whenever the topic is included. So what people talk related with you, that is one more aspect of your personality. And the final and the most important aspect of your personality is that what you can become in future. So we have to work on this aspect on your personality, that what you can become, and that is one of the most important image of your personality, because that is your future. And personality development is nothing but molding yourself and changing, modifying yourself to become a better one. So, coming back to all these images and aspects of your personality, let us have all these images of your personality one by one at a glance. Now, as we have seen that these aspects of your personality are different. What you are is different from what you think you are, and what you show yourself, that is also different from what you are. What others are thinking regarding you, that is also different. So there is a difference between all these aspects of personality. Even if others know you, they will not try to talk truth about you. So, and ultimately what you become in your life is dependent on all these aspects of personality, but again it is different. So my dear friends, it is necessary to have a proper coordination between all these aspects of personality, it is necessary to minimize the difference between the various aspects of personality. We must minimize the difference between P0 and P1, P1 and P2, or P0 and P3, or P4 and P5, or P0 and P4, and so on. This difference should be minimized, and that is nothing a very important step in the direction of personality development. Now the question is how to minimize the difference between the various aspects of your personality. So, in order to minimize the difference between P0 and P1, so as to have minimum difference between what you are and what you think, it is necessary that you should know yourself. So, many people, or almost all of us, don't know really ourselves. Do we really know ourselves? We have to know ourselves, we have to understand ourselves, and we are never trying to know ourselves, we are never trying to understand ourselves. We don't peep inside ourselves. We are always interested in the activities of others, but we are not very much cautious about ourselves, and we really don't try to see into ourselves. We don't try to really peep inside our heart and see exactly what I am, who I am. That is a very important question, but this question always remains unanswered. So it is very important to find the answer of this question, that what you are, and try to know yourself, try to know the qualities in you, try to know your strengths, try to know your weaknesses, try to know as more as possible related with yourself. Now, what you show yourself and what you are, that is also different. You will always try to show yourself someone special, something good, but you may not be that good, you may not be that efficient, but you are trying to show that you are a good person. But many times you are unable to show that you are a good person. Sometimes it also happens that you are a good person, you are efficient person, but you are unable to show, you are unable to prove that you are a good person. Others don't think that you are a good person because you are unable to show that you are a good person. So it is necessary to glow yourself, it is necessary to show yourself, it is necessary to present yourself in a proper way, it is necessary to polish the diamond, then only the diamond will shine like a diamond. So polishing yourself and glowing yourself is equally important. Now what others are thinking regarding yourself, that is also important, but many people are not knowing you properly because you haven't proved yourself. Though you may be an efficient person, though you may be capable, but you haven't proved yourself that you are a capable person, and therefore people don't think you, they don't consider you as a capable person because you haven't proved yourself, you haven't proven yourself. Therefore it is your duty to prove yourself. So you must prove yourself, my dear friends. Now what others are talking about you, that depends upon your relations with them. So you should improve your relations with others. If your relations with others are good, then definitely they will talk good regarding you. Of course, they have to relate what they are talking with actually what you are, but they will always try to make some changes, make some manipulations. They will try to exaggerate your faults if you don't have good relations with them. So therefore you try to have good relations with all others so that they will talk good regarding you. And as I told you that the most important aspect, the most important image of your personality is nothing but what you can become in future. What you are today, that is important, but you have to change yourself, and you can become someone special. What you want to become, definitely that you can become if you try hard, and for that it is necessary to improve yourself. So my dear friends, if you improve yourself, then you can definitely be a better version of yourself. What you are today and what you can become tomorrow, what you can become tomorrow can definitely be much better than what you are today if you improve yourself. Therefore it is necessary to improve yourself. Again, let us have all these aspects of personality, and how these aspects of personality can be synchronized properly. The synchronization between the various aspects of your personality, between the five sides of the pentagon, is very important. It is important to minimize the difference between the various aspects of your personality, and so that there will be proper coordination, there will be proper synchronization, there will be no confusion. The confusion should be minimum, and then what will happen is that you will become a mature person, and the confusion will be minimized, and you can know what is your next step. You will be confident, your confidence will be increased, and definitely you can go ahead in your life in a proper way. Your path will be well defined.